Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, September 22nd, 2025. Today we'll cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes hit new all-time highs today. The S&P 500 index, the Dow 30, and the Nasdaq Composite all reached record closes, marking their third consecutive day of gains. The S&P rose 29.40 points to 693.76. Market breadth shows mixed signals. The Nasdaq Composite showed strong participation with 1,769 advances versus 1,338 declines. However, the S&P 500 was nearly even with 246 advances to 250 declines. On returns, the Nasdaq Composite leads month-to-date with a 6.2% gain. Year-to-date, it's up 18%, outpacing the S&P 500's 13.8% return and the Dow's 9% advance. Technology led today's gains among sectors. Technology surged 1.7% to a new record high at 5,616.27. Utilities followed with a 0.92% gain, marking its fourth straight positive session. Communication services led declines, falling 0.91% to 434.51. Consumer defensive showed notable weakness, dropping 0.88% in its third consecutive negative session amid strong downward volatility. Global markets showed strength today. South Korea led gains, rising 1.8% to a new record at 81.56. Mexico followed with a 1.2% advance, reaching a one-year high. Year-to-date returns show South Korea leading with an impressive 60% gain. Mexico follows with a 43% return, while Norway and Netherlands both show gains near 29%. Tech giants showed mixed performance today. Apple jumped 4.3% with its closing price at $256.8, showing strong momentum and increased volatility. NVIDIA reached a new all-time high at $183.61, continuing its very strong upward trend. Meta Platforms and Amazon both declined 1.6%, with Amazon breaking downward after a period of consolidation.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Major cryptocurrencies are experiencing broad declines today. Bitcoin is currently at 112,544, down 2,762. Ethereum and Solana are showing notable weakness, dropping 6.1% and 7.4% respectively. Dogecoin leads the decline, down 8.6%, while BNB maintains a very strong positive trend despite today's 5.6% drop. Looking at performance metrics, BNB shows the strongest year-to-date gains at 41%, while Ethereum and Bitcoin follow with 25% and 20% respectively. Dogecoin is the only major crypto in negative territory for the year, down about 24%. Month to date, BNB leads with a 15% gain.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing broad weakness against major currencies today. Against the euro, the US dollar has dropped nearly 0.5 cent, extending its very strong downward trend. The dollar is also declining against the British pound and the Swiss franc. Despite falling slightly against the yen, the dollar maintains a strong upward trend in that pairing. The Aussie dollar is also gaining ground against the greenback.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, cryptocurrency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.